In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Smartsheet to plan, organize, and manage projects efficiently. When you open Smartsheet, start from the home page, where you can access your projects, workspaces, and recent files. Use notifications to stay updated on task assignments, comments, and project changes, while search helps you quickly find sheets and reports. To create a project, click Create and choose either a blank sheet or a project management template. For beginners, a project schedule template is the fastest way to get started since it already includes task names, owners, statuses, and deadlines. Next, customize the sheet by adding your project tasks, assigning team members, setting start and end dates, and updating task statuses. You can switch to Gantt view to visualize timelines and track project progress more easily. Use favorites to pin important projects for quick access and explore resource management to monitor team workloads and balance assignments. That's it. With tasks, timelines, assignments, and progress tracking all in one place, Smartsheet becomes a powerful tool for managing projects of any size. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and tutorials.